In the movie Small Soldiers, military action figures come to life and battle both rival action figures and the humans who intervene. Described as Gremlins meets G.I. Joe, the film was produced by director Steven Spielberg's Amblin Entertainment production company. But Small Soldiers was provoking conflict even before its release, when writer Barry Spinello claimed Spielberg stole his idea from an unsolicited script. In Spinello vs. Amblin Entertainment, the California Court of Appeal considered whether to send Spinello's lawsuit to arbitration. Barry Spinello described himself as a motion picture producer, writer, and director with decades of experience in the film industry. Spinello's agent sent a copy of a script Spinello wrote called Adrian and the Toy People to Amblin Entertainment. An Amblin executive returned the script to Spinello, saying that Amblin wasn't interested. A year later, Spinello met Alan Davio, a cameraman for Spielberg. Spinello told Davio about his script and showed Davio some photos he'd created to illustrate the animated segments of the story. Davio's face and body language convinced Spinello that Davio thought Spielberg would be interested in the photos. So Spinello sent his script to Amblin again. This time, a different Amblin executive wrote to Spinello, explaining that Amblin would only look at his script if he signed the company's standard submission agreement. The agreement contained an arbitration clause. Spinello's agent told him that the agreement was standard and that Spinello should sign it. Spinello signed the agreement and returned it to Amblin with another copy of the script. Shortly thereafter, Amblin rejected Spinello's script again. In addition to Amblin, Spinello also sent his script to roughly 70 other studios and producers. 2 years later, Spinello read in the press that Amblin had purchased a script called Small Soldiers from another screenwriter. Based on the article, Spinello concluded that Small Soldiers was based on his ideas in Adrian and the Toy People. Spinello sued Amblin, Spielberg, and Universal City Studios, whom we'll call collectively Amblin. Spinello claimed that Amblin had unlawfully used Spinello's ideas for its proposed movie. Amblin moved to compel arbitration based on the arbitration clause in the submission agreement. The trial court denied Amblin's motion, concluding that the arbitration clause was unconscionable. Amblin appealed to the California Court of Appeal.